Hey, all you backyard train fans, live steam, gauge 1, so on and so forth. Just want to do a quick video of the Accucraft Mable, and I've had this modified by the train department, and they've added RC control, and it's now a 262 configuration. And then also we've included an auxiliary tender, even though it's not needed, but it matches and looks really cool. So I just wanted to fire this up and give it a whirl around. And it has the Fosworks RC controller in it. Under the hood here, we have the servos. Right here is the servo for the throttle. And then in the back here is for forward and reverse. Pretty much stock. The battery is located inside here. Let me pick this up if I can without dropping it. And straight ahead is on the left, there's a switch. Since I'm holding this, I can't. I'll turn that on and you can see the green light, and then there's the on-off switch, and you can charge. The charging jack is there also. So that's been added. It has a blind driver in the center. You can see that. Again, I'm trying to hold this with one hand, and so this is kind of the underneath looking at it. And I'm going to pause and we'll fire it up. One last thing, this is the last day of the outdoor layout. We've started to disassemble it and just figured, okay, before it's totally apart and gone, I'd run the engine. This will be like the farewell trip. I'll probably have some other photos of this when we get it all totally taken down. Other things happening on the property, so we need to remove it. Alright, as I'm here taking apart the layout, we have some visitors. All kind of deer. They like the acorns. They're pretty friendly. I wouldn't touch them, but they get up real close. Hey, how you all doing over there? There's about 5 of them. Okay, we just let it off. I just wanted to show on the door here, they have a little plate, and over here's a magnet, which is really nice for keeping the door closed tight. So I just wanted to point that out. I don't know if that's something that's coming out on future locomotives, Accucraft locomotives, or not. Just wanted to point that out. Okay, we got steam built up. I just wanted to show the Fosworks remote control. If you look right in this window here, you'll see the forward reversing lever. And if I move this, you can see that moving back and forth. That's for forward and reverse. Your throttle is up here, right in here. And so we'll turn that knob and you can see that throttle linkage moving there on that servo. So close it and then we'll give it a whirl. Okay, it's all set for forward. And just give it a little bit of throttle and there it goes. That's a good speed right there. You go a little faster. Smoking really nice. Again, I just want to thank Jay at the train department who put in the Fosworks RC control system and did some other little mods to it. And it's got the 262 reel arrangement. And then I got one of the extra tenders. Even though it doesn't need a tender, it's a tank engine. That's one of the Bowanda tenders that he had made. He still may have some in stock, I think, if anybody's looking for a small tender. We just got the throttle just cracked a little bit. So it runs really good. Okay, maybe slow it down a little. So it comes around this curve. That's a little more. I got someone to help me run the throttle. That's good. Slow down a little. Okay. Alright, well that's about it. Just wanted to kind of the farewell to the train layout, the first time running it, and wanted to see how it runs. It runs great, and this is the end of the layout. Like I said earlier, we're going to be taking it apart, other things going on at the property, and this needs to go. And it was always going to be a temporary layout. Alright, hope to see you trackside.